Welcome back to Mr. Dow Weather Updates, and today we'll have a look at the radar first, and then a few weather warnings. Another weather warning for Thursday for heavy rain, as we're going to be seeing in the live radar in a minute, and then a live precipitation, shall we, and the GFS. So firstly, having a look at what has been going on today. A little bit showery, but hasn't been as unsettled as the last few days. We have got some heavy showers coming up in the northeast of Scotland near Aberdeenshire. Otherwise, sunny spells are possible in some areas of England. You can still see here that area of rain is still lingering until midnight, by the looks of it. So have a look at the temperatures. Again, has not been very warm at all. It's just about the average 17 degrees in London, as you can see on the icon there. And judging by the colours from the map. So yeah, like I said, we have a weather warning. It's a yellow weather warning this time for rain. It is for, northern eastern areas for England, but I am still in this area of rain, and it is covering a fairly populated area, as you can see here. So it will be all day on Thursday. So heavy rain on Thursday could lead to travel disruption on Thursday. So here again, slight chance to power cut and loss to other services such as some of the businesses. I wouldn't say these are as likely as the amber warning was a few days ago, but still want to keep an eye on it. A small chance of homes and businesses could be flooded. Again, we still have a lot of wet ground after all that, so it could be possible, in fact. So we'll have to see. Causing damage to buildings. When it occurs, delays and cancellations to bus services are probably possible as well. Again, spray, flooding, and communities may be cut off by flooded roads. A little bit of further detail here. Just some heavy and persistent rain to affect northern areas of England, even some of the northern Midlands as well, West Yorkshire as well, where I live. Pennine, probably the heaviest is going to be at the Pennines and North York Moors. So 80 to 100 millimetres of rainfall could accumulate on the course of that on the areas. Otherwise, scattered areas just reaching to 20 to 30 millimetres, maybe 50 to 70 millimetres possible. Strong winds are possible also tomorrow in areas of high ground and probably in the coast as well. So have a look at the grid. It is very unlikely and has a medium impact. So you can see it's just down there. It's one of the lower ends of weather warnings, if I'm being honest. So here the areas, they are actually covering quite a populated area of England, as you can see here. East Midlands, North East England, North West England, and Yorkshire and the Humber. So still could be a risk of flooding on that. So yeah, UKV, we'll be able to see what's going to be going on for the next few days. We can see some scattered showers in the north there that have been going on for the remainder parts of the day. Otherwise, it may be clearing up, but I have in a few parts of the night, but Wolston quite cloudy, maybe a bit showers around in some areas. We've still got some showers down in the south there. On to Wednesday, it starts quite dry with a few cloudy spells. There is a weather front trying to pushing in the south there, and that will push in onto Thursday and will kind of intensify when it does get into that warning area. As you can see here, heavy rain is possible. I think the model is kind of underdoing it just a little bit for now, but after that it moves away. More air of higher pressure to build in, giving it clear skies and in most areas, but then another area of cloud pushes in by the looks of Sunday. Looking at the temperatures today, it has not been very impressive today. Only got to 17 in London today, so again, underdoing it on the GFS there for now. On Wednesday, quite cold, in fact, quite cool, more mild when you think about it. 15 degrees is possible in some areas, but mainly low teens to single digits in the north of Scotland. On Thursday, a little bit warmer in the south. 17 to 18 degrees, but it's colder in the north with very low single digits possible. Friday again, getting colder, low teens, 14 to 13 degrees is possible, and the coldest day, Saturday, it's going to be quite cold on Saturday, 12 to 11 degrees is possible. staying around that mid-teen mark, with quite a frost night, with frost possible in the night if it's dry enough. We can see here we are on an area of low pressure, giving way to more cloudy skies and showy weather for the course of today and Friday, with some cold air pushing in. But then there's a little bit of a rather high pressure for a little bit. That gets moved out by an area of lowish pressure with tight ice bars. Heavy winds are possible in the north, but then that kind of gets substituted into more of a high pressure. So it's like, again, changeable as we'd expect from autumn. Again, some areas may stay dry, drier than others, as you can see here. The south is still in an area of highest pressure. So that is your weather for today. Please make sure to subscribe if you see my videos, and please share. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.